Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're getting hands-on with the latest in artificial intelligence and machine learning services from Google. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, businesses and individuals are constantly looking for ways to streamline processes and improve efficiency. And that's where Google's AI and machine learning services come in. These powerful tools are designed to help you make sense of large amounts of data, automate tasks, and make smarter decisions, all with the help of cutting-edge technology. But let's not just take my word for it. Let's dive in and see for ourselves what Google has to offer. First up, we have Google Cloud AI Platform. This service allows you to easily build, train, and deploy machine learning models in the cloud. With a user-friendly interface and powerful tools, you can quickly develop custom models to fit your specific needs. And the best part? No prior machine learning experience is required. Google has done all the heavy lifting for you, making it accessible for anyone to use. Next, we have Google Cloud AutoML. This service takes things a step further by providing a simple, drag-and-drop interface for building your own custom machine learning models. With AutoML, you can easily train models to recognize images, text, and even language without having to write a single line of code. It's perfect for businesses looking to automate processes and improve accuracy without the need for a team of data scientists. But Google's AI and machine learning services aren't just for businesses. They also have tools for personal use, such as Google Assistant. This virtual assistant uses AI to learn your preferences and provide personalized suggestions and assistance. Whether it's setting reminders, playing music, or even ordering food, Google Assistant is always at your service. And let's not forget about Google's machine learning APIs. These pre-trained models are ready to use for a variety of tasks, such as language translation, image recognition, and sentiment analysis. With just a few lines of code, you can incorporate these powerful tools into your own applications and websites, saving you time and resources. So, whether you're a business looking to improve efficiency or an individual looking to simplify your daily tasks, Google's AI and machine learning services have something for everyone. And the best part? They're constantly evolving and improving, so you can stay ahead of the game in the ever-changing world of technology. Ready to take your tech skills to the next level? Visit Google's website to learn more about their AI and machine learning services and start incorporating them into your daily life. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.